Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel once again. In this video is about the Universal ADB Driver tool package which you can install over your system to manipulate things with your Android device. So as I have a Redmi Note 7 Pro device, so this is the native fastboot ADB tool for Xiaomi devices, and it comes along with a few predefined functions which helps to remove bloatwares and enable and disable services with the device, but it doesn't have complete feature. Okay, so to run this application you must make sure you have a Java JDK environment installed in your system. I have already installed it over, so I'm not going to reinstall it over my system. Okay, so just make sure you have this package installed on your system to run this package, or either for the Universal ADB Driver package. Both condition needs this Java JDK tool. Okay, so I have already downloaded this Xiaomi ADB tool, so I'm just going to open it by open JDK platform binary, and then you will be able to get into the software interface, and that would look like this. Okay, so for the first time you might see error like in connection, so just make sure to enable USB debugging mode through phone settings by getting into the developer options, and that's pretty simple. You can search over your device. So from any device, Samsung, HTC, Sony, whatever the Android device is, just follow the steps and enable USB debugging mode. But this particular application is for the Xiaomi devices only. Now you can see it is in ADB mode, and now you can see the list of app names, package name, and the things you would like to remove. You can select and remove them, as well as you can enable and disable services mentioned in it. Okay, now like applications like Google Pay and all is not mentioned in it because I don't know, it might be outdated or could be any reason. So in that particular case you need Universal ADB Driver, and you can remove those kind of application through that. Okay, so as you can see, I have already downloaded this ADB Universal setup. You can either have this one or the other Clock World mode. So both are the applications are great, both have ADB environment. You can use that, and to install it just type Y as a yes, and that will install all the items. Okay, so whatever comes in on over your screen, just allow permission. This is the other, as I told you, a Clock World mode. This also provides you the ADB a folder within a Clock World mode inside program x86, and that will work the same. After installation you will be able to see ADB folder within C drive. If it doesn't appear, you can download the same from the description down again, and you can paste it over this directory. So now let's test it out. Let's run it through cmd command prompt. Let me run it as a system as administrator. You can do the same with the PowerShell if you would like to perform, and both condition will work. Okay, so let me go back to the directory in C drive, and let's see the directory called ADB. Let's change it to ADB cd ADB. Now let's see the contents contained within that ADB folder. So let's run adb.exe just to make sure it's working fine. It would. Okay. Okay, so here we have the things. So now we need to type ADB devices just to check the phone is connected or not, or if it's not, it will run the daemon service. So you can see it is now running with the port 5037, and you can see the serial name and the device attached, the same serial number mentioned in that tool. So you can see the connection is successful. Now in order to remove things, you just have to type ADB shell, and you will get into the ADB shell mode. Now you can run commands like pm uninstall -k user 0 and the name of the package, and it will remove from that phone. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If it was helpful, like, share, and subscribe to the channel, and all links will be given in the description down below. So yeah, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Have a great day. Bye bye.